Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says, learn the use of Bupuru. Bupuru in English means carried away as a verb in sentences. We are going to learn a topic that says Bupuru. Bupuru means carried away. Let's start. Igbo English. Number one sentence says, "Oh Bupuru mmiri ahụ." Class, repeat after me. "Oh Bupuru mmiri ahụ." Meaning, he carried away that water. Have you seen it? Remember, "Oh" represents both he and she. "Oh Bupuru mmiri ahụ." He carried away that water. "Oh Bupuru mmiri ahụ." He carried away that water. Number two says, "Oh Bupuru ya ugbu a." Or say that, "Oh Bupuru ya ugbu a." Meaning, he carried it away now. "Oh Bupuru ya ugbu a." He carried it away just now. He carried it away now. The third sentence says, "Oh Bupuru ha niile." Class, or say that, "Oh Bupuru ha niile." Meaning, he carried away all of them. "Oh Bupuru ha niile." He carried away all of them. When you hear Bupuru in Igbo, it means carried away in English. Carried away. It is a verb. Bupuru is a verb. It means carried away in English. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.